want to go to video effects, scroll down and you find Exponential curves, or type that, then you want to go to default, drag and drop for the shutter direction, change that to 0.300. Then you want to go to wrap X and Y and put that in reflect preset, save it as whatever you want. I'm going to save this as smooth rotation for this tutorial. Click that, copy this icon, X that out, just do this, and it'll pop up right here. You want to drop 2 more, that would be like 3. First one will be 15 degrees, animate it, drag that all the way to the end of the clip. This here in the first beginning of the clip, put that to 0. And for the second one is 45 degrees, animate it. For this, with second leg, you want to go 8 keyframes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make that 0. And then for the last one, you want to make that 85 degrees, animate it. For this one, you want to go back 4 keyframes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's half of 8. Put 0. Click on the first keyframe. And click slow fade. You want to do that all to the first keyframes of your layers. And then for the second keyframe will be fast fade. For the clip, you're just gonna do the opposite. Drag and drop 3, negative 15, negative 45, negative 85.